Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I am excited to take you through my latest project called Q-CALC, a highly versatile calculator application built using Java and Spring Boot. In this video, we will explore the code it features and how I deployed the project live using Microsoft Azure. Let's dive in. Q-CALC is not just a basic calculator, it offers three distinct mode of operations. One is standard, second is scientific. Each of these mode is powered by dedicated RESTful APIs, which makes this application highly modular and scalable. I deployed the project using Microsoft Azure, making it accessible anytime, anywhere. And the beauty of this application lies in its RESTful APIs. If we take a look at the Swagger documentation I have integrated, we will see all the available operations such as standard arithmetic functions, scientific operations, and even logic bitwise operation. Here the configuration of Swagger, which is critical for API documentation. It provides a seamless interface to explore all the functionalities. I have customized the Swagger Open API instance to include a title, descriptions, and contact details. This is a great practice when deploying APIs for public use. And let's take a look at the standard calculator first. We have typical operations like additions, subtractions, multiplication and division, but there's something extra under the hood. For instance, the code is designed to handle as cases like division by 0 and overflow for double values. I have implemented check to throw exception in case of overflow and division by 0, ensuring the application remains robust and free of runtime errors. This is critical part of designable reliable software. Okay, we check it and it's a throw of arithmetic exceptions. I also use the arithmetic exceptions, and one is also use is a that is not a result is okay. Next up, in the scientific calculator, this section covers operations like trigonometric function, algorithms, and square root calculations. One thing I paid special attention to is handling domain errors, such as taking the algorithm for a negative number or the square roots of a negative value. Okay, and for instance, trying to take the log of a non-positive number while throw an exception, helping prevents any undefined operation. Similarly, functions like square roots are checked for valid inputs. And finally, the logic calculator is where things get really interesting. This section includes bitwise operations like AND, OR, XOR, and NOT, which are essential in field like cryptographic and computer science. These operations are performed using integers, and they are extremely useful for programmers working with low level data manipulations. Now, all of these controllers interact with a single service class, that is calculator.java, which handles the actual computations. This keeps the application logic clean and maintains separation of concerns, a key principle in software design. And the design of this project follows the model view controller, which we say that is a MVC architecture, making it easy to extend and maintain. Each of the calculators is essentially a controller that delegates tasks to the service layer where the core computations take place. And finally, let's talk about deployment. I used Microsoft Azure to host this application. With Azure scalable and flexible infrastructure, deploying a Spring Boot application becomes incredible straightforward. And I have set up a simple pipeline to deploy the app by the Azure App Service, which takes care of scaling the application as needed. This makes Q-CAL available for anyone with access to the link, and that is the link and access the Q-CAL application. Okay, first we go work. First we try with standard calculator. First is subtraction. Try out num is 12 and 13. Its subtraction is, I think I try to refresh it. There is the something network issue here, so that's why. Yeah, uh, we closed it and figure out, try out. Okay, first is 13 minus 12, execute is 1, that is the response is good. And clear, go to the multiplication. Oh, that is not, it's a multiplication. Try out multiplication of 11 or 12 multiply of 12 is 144. That is the answer is 144. You using this application for simple and easy problems like division, multiplication, subtractions and additions. That is for division. If I divide 0 by 1, what it says 0. Okay, if 1 divided by 0, it's the exception handling here. That is internal server error, it's not provide the. Okay, is 12, it also the same issue because answer is 0. We can't divide any number by the 0. Okay, and last and final is addition. 1 plus 1 equal to 2. That is very simple. There is not there is any issue like that. Go to the scientific. No, first we logical. Okay, XOR, try out. XOR is the value of XOR is 12 and 13. Execute is 1. It's convert the binary and after that it show the result. Then all are working, all operations are working here. Okay, we check the scientific calculator. We check the square out. Try out is the 20 of 5, that is 5 is 25. The square of 5 is 25, and we use the CBRT. CBRT is of 3 is 1.0. Okay, and 25 is 2.93. That is clear. Sorry. So there you have it. Q-CAL is live. Modular and ready for real world use, whether you need basic arithmetic, advanced scientific functions, or bitwise operations. Qcal has covered all things. I am proud for the robustness and scalability of this project, and it is a great demonstration of how Spring Boot, Java, and cloud platforms like Microsoft Azure can come together to create a powerful application. And last, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and drop any questions in the comment below. If you did like to try out the live app, I have linked it in the description. Until next time, keep building amazing projects. Thank you so much.